Hi there. If you'd like to fix Windows Explorer has stopped working, congrats, you have clicked on the right video. This is Rox from the ROXPLAY zone. In this video I'm gonna show you a few different tricks to fix Windows Explorer that has stopped working problem. Let's move to our PC screen. I am guessing you are stuck on a black screen like this when your Explorer stopped working. Here you can't do much. To get out of this, without restarting the PC, you need to do the following. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button simultaneously. It will bring up Task Manager. Here go to the file and click on Run New Task. In this pop-up window click on Browse, next go to the drive where OS is installed. In my case it's C. Now open the Windows folder and look for Explorer.exe. There we go, select the Explorer and open it. Simply click OK to run this. That's it. By doing this, you will be able to back to the normal state, where you can do your things. So the Explorer is back again. Now let's proceed to the next tips. In this second tip, we need to change the location of Explorer application. To do this, first open this PC and go to the drive where Windows is installed. Here locate the Explorer app inside Windows folder. Right-click on it and copy the Explorer. Scroll up and search for System32 folder, and simply paste the Explorer app here. Check if your problem solved. If not, let's proceed to third tip. In this third tip we will tweak few Windows Explorer settings that will mostly fix your issue. To do it, search for the Explorer options in the search box. Now open the Explorer options. Make sure that you're in the General tab. Look for the Clear button at the bottom under Privacy Group. There we go, simply hit Clear. Now click on View tab. Here untick Always Show Icon, Never Thumbnail. Click on Apply then OK. That's it. In the fourth tip we need to run System File Checker to check for any corrupted files on the system. To do this, first search for CMD in search bar, run it as administrator. Here enter the following command and press enter. It will start scanning the corrupted system files and fix it automatically. It may take up to 10 minutes depending on your PC's performance. After the scan completes, close the command prompt and check if you are still facing the issue. In the fifth and final tip we will do a clean boot to see if there exists any error in system applications. Let's do it. Press Windows plus R button to open up Run. Here type config and hit enter. It will open window like this. Make sure you are in the General tab. Now look for Selective Startup and untick this option. Next go to Services tab. Here click this check mark to hide all Microsoft services. Now simply click on Disable All button and hit OK. After clicking Restart, it will do a clean boot with only Microsoft services. Here's some bonus tips you may try to fix the Explorer has stopped working problem. Shout out to these great people who subscribed to our channel recently. If you want a shout out in our next video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click here for more helpful videos.